What is he doing? Yeah. What's that crazy dog doing? Is he eating the ice? You can't really see it on the film. It's like a snow-sleet mixture. Rocky, what are you doing, bud? And you can see Rocky's clawing at it, and it's not really doing anything. That's how frozen it is. What is he doing? What is he doing? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's close the door before we freeze our toes off. Rocky, come on.